What's going on, everybody? Ian here from Mega Mobile USA, and today I want to do a quick unboxing of the Xiaomi Poco X3 NFC. Now you can pick this up in my store. I'll leave a link in the description, and if you could be so kind as to subscribe and like, and then drop a comment below, I'll show you how to get the best price. I'll beat any competitor, hands down. Now this phone is pretty basic, but it's a new mid-range phone from Xiaomi. It's got a 6.67-inch screen, a 1080 by 2400 pixel screen, a 64 megapixel camera, a Snapdragon 732G, and you can get it in either 64 or 128 gigs with 6 gigs of RAM. And it's got a pretty nice sized battery at 5160 milliamp hours. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and unbox it. Now I don't have a fancy knife like a lot of other people, but I do have my thumb, and that works fine. Go ahead and rip this off, test it to the side. Now if you pick this up for me, this is exactly how it's going to come. No questions asked. This is how it's going to arrive to you. Don't even worry about it coming up like anything else. Take the top off. Got the little Xiaomi insert. They always throw us a case. Let's see here, SIM eject tool. Nice little soft case. It's clear, probably, as they always are. Yep, it's clear soft case. Books, standard. Then you got the Xiaomi right here. Underneath it, they always got something to hold the phone in. USB cable and international charger here. Let me see if I can rip this out. Keep in mind, guys, I always provide you with this USA adapter, and all you do is go like that and put it into the wall. It works perfectly fine. Easy enough there. So here's the phone. As I said, 732G. It's got a 120 hertz display, 64 megapixel main shooter. It's got all the Google Play services pre-installed. It is the global version of the phone. You're going to get every update, and you don't have to worry about it ever being flashed or anything like that. This is the global version. So that's pretty much it, guys. It's pretty simple. If you have any questions about the phone, just let me know. I'll happily answer it in the comments. And like I said, I'll give you the best deal. If you have anything else, let me know, guys. And I appreciate you taking the time to watch the video. As always, thanks so much.